Athletic clothes always seem to stink. As a dry cleaner, I can tell you there's a good reason behind that, and it's not because you're a super stinky person. Synthetic fibers, which make up most of gym clothes, has a natural attraction to oils, as you can see here. The polyester holds onto that oil while the cotton releases it quite easy. This creates an odor problem because those lingering oils and dirt promote bacterial growth, which are actually the cause of your odors. From my experience, removing odors at home can be really difficult. Ammonia and baking soda and pre-treating stinky stains will only get you so far. And a lot of people kept asking me, what can I do at home to remove these odors? I didn't really have a good answer, so I searched for a while to find something and stumbled across this. EnviroKlenz Laundry Enhancer, which you add to your detergent. It looks like a big bag of milk. It's not milk, it's metal oxides that encapsulate odors and remove them from your clothes. Testing this was pretty difficult as I don't have a fancy piece of equipment to tell me what something smelled like before and after. Luckily, the only piece of equipment I did have was my schnoz, my nose, and my coworkers' noses. So they were super generous and helped me sniff clothes before and after to tell me if it worked. And luckily, we were able to find out that this worked really well in comparison to just detergent. So detergent, we found out, wasn't really cutting it sometimes. When we added the EnviroKlenz, it helped out a lot. And to use this, it's pretty easy. Just dump 1/4 of a cup into your detergent slot, wash on warm water, and just repeat if it's something super stinky. The bag inside the cardboard box is really nice too. It reduces your plastic use by 70%, which we love. Sustainability, yay!